In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new payment method on Xbox. This process is essential for anyone looking to make purchases on Xbox or within the Microsoft Store. By following these steps, you will ensure a smooth experience when buying games, subscriptions, or other services. Let's get started. First, you need to sign into your Microsoft account. This is the account that you use for Xbox and other Microsoft services. On the screen, you'll see a prompt to enter your email and password. Make sure to enter them correctly to avoid any issues. If you have two-factor authentication set up, you may need to verify your identity. This step is crucial because it ensures only you have access to your account and payment information. Once signed in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. From there, navigate to the Payment Options section. You can typically find this in the Account Settings menu. Look for a tab or link labeled Payment Options. On the screen, you will see details of your existing payment methods, if any. This area is important as it allows you to manage your payment methods easily. Knowing how to access this section will help you keep your payment methods up to date. Next up, select the option to add a new payment method. You will see a button or link that says Add a new payment method. Clicking this will take you to a new screen where you can enter your payment details. This step is significant because it is where you begin the process of updating your payment options. Make sure to choose this option carefully so that you can proceed without any hiccups. Now you will need to choose your payment type. Your options may include credit or debit card, PayPal, or even a bank account, depending on what is supported. As you decide, think about which method you prefer for making purchases. Selecting the right payment type is essential because it affects how quickly and easily you can make transactions in the future. Once you've made your choice, move on to the next step. After choosing your payment type, enter your payment and billing information. Fill in the required fields accurately, including your card number, expiration date, and security code if you are using a card. If you are using PayPal or a bank account, ensure all details match what your bank has on file. This is very important because any discrepancies can lead to payment failures. Double-check your entries, as accuracy here ensures your payment method is accepted without hassle. Once you have entered all necessary details, select the Save option. This action will store your new payment method in your account. Seeing a confirmation message on the screen will reassure you that your changes have been successfully saved. This little step saves you a lot of time later when you are ready to make purchases. Your new payment method will now be available for Xbox purchases, Microsoft Store purchases, subscriptions, and other Microsoft services using the same Microsoft account. This is beneficial because it means you can enjoy a seamless purchasing experience across various platforms without needing to re-enter your information. If your payment method isn't accepted, verify that your billing address matches your bank's records. Also, check that your Microsoft account region aligns with the country where your payment method was issued. These small details can make a big difference in ensuring your transactions go smoothly. This concludes the process of adding a new payment method on Xbox. You now have the tools to make your purchases with confidence. Thank you for watching and enjoy gaming.